ó ti di wọ́ o ó ti dogun ní Badagry road o ẹ wòran o ẹ rí àwọn Fúlàní pẹ̀lú àwọn sójà wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lé àwọn èèyàn kiri sí o ṣe rí ṣe ti rí o àwọn Fúlàní náà pààyàn o it's happening right now here in Badagry road it's happening right now àwọn Fúlàní náà pààyàn o àwọn sójà àwọn ti wá àwọn ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lé àwọn ọmọ wa kiri o wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ it's happening now live and direct ṣe ti rí it's happening now ṣe ti rí it's happening now live and direct today is 27th of June 2022 àwọn mi wa ni o ṣe ti rí o wọ́n pa àwọn ọmọ wa ni o they kill our people and now they are still chasing us up and down it's happening right now here in Badagry as I'm reporting now this is the time 1209 hour yes 9 minutes after 12 it's happening right now it's happening right now it's happening right now Fulani and the soldiers they are around Badagry chasing us up and down right now because of malu because of cow they are chasing us.